Hey guys, got the road trip going on, heading over to, everywhere I look, it looks crazy. Heading over to Asheville, which is pretty close to our house, about an hour. And we're going to the Coach outlet, so I thought I would dress for it. I got my little Coach bag, girl. I can't show you because I'd have to turn the camera around. And I'm an old lady, so, but I got my Coach shoes that match my slides, girl. We're going over here because I have a gift to buy for someone. They dropped that Peanuts collection and collab with Coach, and so someone I know wanted a little piece of it, and they got sold out really quick, but I called the store and had them hold a piece for me, so we're heading over here to get it. Yes, we'll get right back with you. Okay guys, we finished shopping at the outlet in Asheville. Slim pickings. I went and picked up my Coach order that I didn't really order it, I just called yesterday and told them to hold on to it, and they still had the items in store, so, but the girl said it's a good thing because she thought they would sell out today. But they had a few of the Peanuts collab, and you saw that in my little vlog of the store. And we kind of went in some other stores and slim pickings. I don't know, brick and mortar stores are not really having the stock like I guess they should, from us being cooped up and ordering online, I guess. I don't know, but all the stuff's online. Why don't they send it out to the stores? Because I feel like getting out and shopping in stores instead of, you know, online anymore. I like to I like to get out of the house. But we had to wear a mask in a few stores. And yeah, that new, whatever that is, the new strain thing that's going around, I'm kind of leery about that. But anyway, neither here nor there. We're going to go to the purse room now, and I'm going to show you the little item that I bought from the Peanuts collection, the collab with Coach that I picked up at the outlet today. Let's go. The trip that we took, and this was Saturday. It is now Tuesday. Yeah, carry the 3, add 4. Yes, it's Tuesday. Don't mind the hat. I'm not having such a bad hair day as such a bad bangs day. They did not. I feel like the older I get and the more gray I get, the texture, which isn't proven, that's true, right? The texture changes, and so I don't know how to deal with that. I don't know if I should go back to color, but I just have colored my hair for so long. I'm like, no more color, biatch. And I think my hair's screaming that too. Anyway, apologies at the first of the video with the huge, hello, I'm ready for my close-up. And I'm chewing gum. And also, I've got a real bad country accent. I don't know if I just spoken... I do that when I speak to somebody. I kind of adopt their dialect. Is that a weird thing? I heard once that was supposedly someone who is very empathetic. I mean, I'll take that. Anyhow, to the unboxing. It's not much. I bought a gift for a friend. Okay. I bought a gift and then 3 more gifts, which I can't show you because these people do watch the channel and watch my videos, and I just don't want to give it away. So you'll probably never see those things because I'm going to gift them on Sunday, and that'll be it. But I don't want to give anything away. Oh, I just did by saying it was Sunday. Those people know. Okay. Let's go back. The Peanuts collection. So you did see that crinkly bag. You did see that I was carrying this around, and yes, I came out of the store with this, and I just thought it was the cutest thing. Online, when I looked at it, I really thought it was kind of a bigger piece. I had no clue, Marilyn. I had no clue that it was as tiny as it was, but it is, girl, she is tiny. Let me see. Oh, God, you can whoops! Things are falling, but you can see compared to the mini pochette the size of this. Well, I had it the right way, but you know. But yeah, girl. It's thicker, so therefore it will hold more. But here it is with the Givenchy. Just because it fell, I was like, let's get that in the picture. So anyhow, this was, I thought, kind of costly. I kind of thought it was too expensive for what it was. And online, I don't know if this is your experience, but they told me the first day, which I'm sure they told millions of other people, hey, we're dropping this Peanuts collab. Was it last week? Yeah, like first of last week. We're dropping this Peanuts collab, and come on over and be the first to get, you know. And so at that time, everything was available. I started to buy this very thing, but then I was like, no, I don't really need that. I'll come back to it. Then it went sold out. Then it came back. And it's like everything is selling out, then coming back. They still have stock. So I just decided I'll call the store and get that item that I wanted and then look at things down there. And that's what I did. And she said they had sold out of a few little things, but basically that was what they had, and they were going to turn over some new stock, which should be today, and I'm not down there today, so girl, I don't know what's up. It rang up at $150 even. Okay. doing that right. But to me, I thought that was kind of costly. But the fact that you get this strap kind of curled up inside of it, I think that maybe adds some value to it. But look how they, girl, I really didn't take this strap out and let them know, but somebody needs to know. This is not cool. Okay, anyway, we're going to worry about that in a minute, but I'm going to let this thing out. And so you get your handy dandy strap, which is not adjustable. Ugh, I need adjusting. Well, I guess it is here. Yes, okay. I'm losing it, guys. I'm just not really with it today. I worked extra hard today at work. I had to do real work today, so the brain is poof, gone. But yeah, it is adjustable, so I can go ahead and, you know, make this a little bit longer if I need to. So anyway, neither here nor there. You get this strap, which is trimmed in navy. Of course, I would have liked this. My friend is saying this is turquoise, but I think this is a little bit like blue raspberry. I don't know. It's that Gesto. It's just the same color as the Gesto. But it is trimmed in these beautiful navy accents with the whole Peanuts gang on the front. The inside is, of course, in that kind of canvas navy as well. It's trimmed in silver hardware. It's got a little hang tag on the side. So, you know, overall, a pretty good little piece for a crossbody because, you know, I like tiny. And this is a little pocket back there for a little slipper seat pocket for just whatever you can fit in there. I don't have my phone with me, but I don't even... Maybe my phone will fit in here, and that's about it, and some cards and stuff. It's not very big, but it is cute. And I fell for the blue, as you know, because I'm a big fool about the blue. And they did have a bag, a Rowan bag, that was trimmed, that strap was trimmed in this blue. And I told the lady, I was like, oh, if I could only get the strap that was trimmed in the... And she was like, yeah, I know. You're not at Dillard's somewhere, and you can't switch bathing suit tops, hun. Sorry. So anyway, it was still cute with the signature. Yeah. And even, I think I have a different strap that I could put on this. You could put it on both sides. You could put it on the navy side as well. If my crimps and crinks and kinks ever come out of there. I don't even know what I'm saying, girl. So I was just going to film this and move along. Also at the outlet, why not? I need to show you these because these are space age and amazing. You know, they have the Nike outlet down there in this particular outlet. Just these new Nike Free 5.0s. This is the ladies size 8.5. But guys, these weigh very, very light. I mean, they're totally light. And I thought they were cute because they had like a little pink and a little bit of green back there. I mean, they don't even weigh a pound. They're just like very, very light. And they said that they're like made out of sustained materials. If I'm telling you right. Yeah. So there we go. That was something I bought down there. And I did stop. Every time we go to that particular outlet, I do like to shop at the Lucky outlet. If you guys ever get Lucky brand jeans, I like their jeans. I like that they have jeans that will fit me, which is kind of nice. And a lot of the t-shirts that you see me wear actually come from there when they're on sale. So I did buy 3 or 4 t-shirts, but you'll see them when I wear them. So I don't want to bore you with that. I bought some really nice knit. I have them on right now. Knit joggers. They're the softest things in the world. I would only wear them at home though because ain't nobody trying to look at me in joggers, girl. That's not a good stuff. Jiggles and it's everywhere. Okay, so you saw that I had something in the mail. I would put a fancy sound effect right there. I noticed Winnie had one the other day that was nice fanfare, but I was like, no, you know me, I'm lazy. So what did I get? It is a handbag, so I wanted to show you. It's a tiny bag. Again, we're switching gears from Coach. And I got this on sale, Neiman Marcus online. And it is Tory Burch, girl. I did not have one of these, and I feel like Tory Burch is clearancing them out. Maybe they're not going to make me. I don't know. But I thought these were totally cute. Now, she does make this in, it's the phone crossbody. And I noticed that she was selling, like I know her as a person, but Tory Burch had the green one, which I wanted so bad the other day. But they do that thing of, sorry, put it in your bag, but no, we can't fulfill your order. Like, just say it. Don't put it on there. Or just put, sorry, sold out. But they don't do that. You go to the trouble of adding it to your bag, trying to pay for it, and then it's like, oh, you poor thing. You're not getting that today. Such a pisser. Such a letdown, guys. But anyway, I wanted it so bad that I was like, well, let me go on some of these department stores and find it. Now, the one that she had was, I think, half the size. It was like the Nano Super. But this one fits your phone, and I just thought it was super cute because I do love Tory Burch, and I love this. They would have gone great with those Miller sandals that I had to send back because they made an awful noise when I walked. But this is super cute, guys. Love. Okay, so that's basically it. Thank you for joining today. I hope you guys have a great rest of the day. And also this weekend, Saturday coming up. Yep. Did I say it was Tuesday earlier? Huh, that's how I'm losing it, guys. It's actually Wednesday, isn't it? Coming up Saturday, I have a collab with Yota of Yota Style. And we are going to show you all of our summer slides because it's right in the middle of summer and you guys need to see that. Somebody told me the other day, left a comment that you're screaming, and I'm like, yeah, I know. I don't have a microphone on this, so I feel like I have to scream. I'm sorry, that bothers you, lady. Anyway, I hope you guys have a great rest of the day, and remember, if y'all see my husband, woo, girl, don't tell him nothing. Bye. Okay, guys, I don't really have anything funny to say today. I just thought I would hold Marilyn during this thing. She looks very sad. She's like, let me go. I love you too, girl. But anyhow, I thought Marilyn would say, hello. Girl, can you say hi? Okay. Thank you. I love you too. She's a good girl. Oh, and if you noticed the other day, I had on my Jill Mauer earrings. I still have them on. When I put her earrings on, girl, I don't want to take them off, like, ever. I end up wearing them for days and days and days and weeks on end because 3 things. They're gorgeous, they look fabulous, and I love them. Girl, if loving them is wrong, I don't want to be right.